it's Juneteenth, so I did showings number 2 and 3, and I totally forgot to record. On my way to, wait, did I do 2 and 3? No, I think that's number 2. I didn't remember to record. So hopefully, well, no, I'm gonna remember this time. I remember this time I'm at showing number 3. My hair is all disheveled because it was raining. Now I'm back home, and yeah, obviously I forgot to record the rest of the stuff. So we're gonna try this again another day. Bye.